This video we will see the product review of Samsung Galaxy A06 5G. The Samsung Galaxy A06 5G is a budget-friendly smartphone that combines modern features with affordable pricing. This smartphone is released in February 2025 and it offers 5G connectivity and ensures fast internet speeds for users. Now we will see the product features. This smartphone comes with 6.7-inch HD plus screen with 90 Hz refresh rate for smooth visuals. This smartphone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor, which ensure efficient performance for daily tasks. This smartphone equipped with 50 MB main camera and 2 MB depth sensor for quality photos and 8 MB front camera for selfies and video calls. This smartphone comes with a 5000 mAh battery and 25-watt fast charging, which provides extended usage and quick recharging. This smartphone available in different configuration like 4 GB or 6 GB RAM and 64 GB or 128 GB internal storage. And this smartphone is expandable via micro SD card. This smartphone runs on Android 15 operating system with One UI 7 and offering a user-friendly interface. This smartphone rated IP54 for dust and water resistance, providing protection against everyday elements. For security, it has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. This smartphone dimension is approximately 8 mm thick and weight is 191 grams. Connectivity supported are 5G networks, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and GPS. And this smartphone includes USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer. What are the advantages of this smartphone? First point is affordable 5G connectivity. Provide access to high-speed internet without a hefty price tag. Second point is long-lasting battery. The 5000 mAh battery ensure extended usage and suitable for heavy users. Third point is expandable storage. This smartphone supports micro SD cards, which allows users to increase storage capacity as needed. Fourth point is durable design. The IP54 rating offers protection against dust and water splashes, which enhance durability. What are the limitations of this smartphone? First point is display resolution. The HD Plus resolution may not be as sharp compared to Full HD displays. Second point is processor limitations. While suitable for everyday tasks, the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor may struggle with high-end gaming or intensive applications. Third point is camera performance. Despite the high megapixel count, the camera performance in low light conditions may be limited. What are the customer feedbacks? First point is sleek design. Users have praised the Galaxy A06 5G for its sleek design. Second point is reliable battery. Customers appreciate the reliable battery life of this device. Third point is smooth performance. The phone delivers smooth performance in daily tasks. Fourth point is affordable 5G. The inclusion of 5G connectivity at an affordable price point has been a significant highlight among customers. In India, the price of this smartphone ranges from 11,500 rupees to 12,500 rupees. In United States, this smartphone price is approximately $157.